This is a demonstration of the new EMX Retroreflective photoeye, model IRB-RET. This photoeye provides external entrapment protection for automatic gates and doors to meet the latest UL325 requirements for monitored safety devices. The IRB-RET includes 5 selectable monitoring schemes. First, normally closed contacts, where power to the transmitter is cycled while monitoring the receiver contacts for proper operation. Second, 2-wire, 2-frequency pulsed method provides a 300 Hz heartbeat pulse indicating an unobstructed beam and 0 Hz when obstructed. The power supply line is pulsed, allowing for a 2-wire connection to the operator. Third, a 2-wire, 3-frequency pulsed method provides a 300 Hz heartbeat pulse indicating an unobstructed beam, and 2 Hz when obstructed, and 0 Hz when failed or connections have been compromised. Fourth, a 4-wire pulsed provides either of the 2 previous pulsing methods over an isolated pair of connections. And then finally, the 5th method, resistive termination, provides a measurable 10K resistance when unobstructed. The pulsed infrared light source is aimed at the reflector, positioned up to 60 feet away. Since a reflector is used on the opposite side of the roadway, wiring associated with a typical through-beam transmitter device is eliminated. The specialized optics configuration eliminates response from highly reflective vehicles passing through the beam. The IRB-RET is the ideal solution for retroreflective applications requiring the latest monitoring methods or to replace existing devices.